Okay, so to make the physics curtains work with the character opening them, I've added the curtains to my scene. I've also added the character to my scene. She's hiding behind the curtains here. I've added the open curtains motion to the character. The curtains themselves have an animation on them. What's happening is these little parts up here are animating, and so it's dragging the physics cloth with it. And if I play this, you can see the curtains open, and I could adjust the timing so that she opens the curtains more quickly and her hands would be in the right place. But I think what you're wanting to see is the curtains pushed aside by the character rather than the opening animation. So what I'm going to do is, with the curtain selected, I'm going to go into my scene manager, and I'm going to look inside the curtains, and I notice there's a whole bunch of parts here to the curtains, and I know that it's these little parts that are animated up here. So what I'm going to do is open everything up, and then I can shift select all of the different parts, and then if I right click in the window, then I can remove all object animation. You could also do it from the animation menu, just remove all scene animation. And now if I play, the curtains are just hanging and she's pushing them out of the way with her collision shapes that are on her. And you can see it's not quite distorting enough. So what I will do now is double click on each curtain itself. So it selects just the cloth part there. And then I will go into the physics settings and go down to the amount that it's being offset. Down here where it says soft versus rigid collision, I'm going to set that up to a bit higher. Actually quite a bit higher, like 6 or 7. And then I'll do the same thing on the other one. So I've got the other cloth, and I'm going to do the same thing. You can also adjust the collision shapes on the girl, but I think since she already has ones attached to her arms and hands, I think this will be enough. And now if I play it, you can see her push through the curtains there, and that works pretty well. She goes through properly. You can get actually even a little better simulation if you click into by frame mode. And that way the curtains are not being animated by anything except the motion of the girl. All right, hope that's helpful.